what I like to do is do a little geometry for you. So what we have here is we have a couple rays, and we're going to use these rays to help us solve a couple problems. So a couple things you guys need to know is we have our ray JK, or KJ, and KL. Those are opposite rays of each other. And KN bisects angle LKM. Now the word bisects is going to be crucial in helping us solve these problems. If you remember bisects, what that's going to automatically tell us is that's going to cut it in half. So KN cuts this angle in half, and that's crucial in helping us solve the problems, because what that does is that tells us that these two angles are now equal to each other, and that's going to be our key ingredient that's going to help us solve these problems. So on the first problem it says if measure of angle LKM, so it's L to K to M, so this whole angle is equal to 7x minus 5, so we can write 7x minus 5, and measure of angle NKM, so N to K to M, is equal to 3x plus 8. So if I know that this is 3x plus 8, and I just told you that since this bisects that this is equal to 3x plus 8, I can write that the whole angle, like from LKM, is going to equal both of these combined, or added together. So 3x plus 8 plus 3x plus 8. So this whole angle equals this plus this. And since they are bisected, they're equal to each other. So now I can do some math. So this becomes 7x minus 5 equals, well, I don't really need these parentheses anymore, do I? I'm just going to now rearrange it so my variables and my constants are next to each other. So I have 7x minus 5 is equal to 6x plus 16. I will add a 5. Therefore, I get 7x is equal to 6x plus 21. Subtract 6x, x now equals 21. So therefore, I know now what x equals. And it says, find the measure of LKM. So I know that LKM is 7x minus 5. So I can now write 7x minus 5 is equal to is equal to the measure of angle LKM. Well, I know what x equals now, which is 7 minus 5. All right. Well, 7 times 21 is going to be 147. And that equals 142 equals the measure of angle LKM. All right, so that is how you find, use your bisecting term to go and help you solve those two problems.